In this video, we will write a Java program to determine file length. To determine the file length, we can open it in binary mode. First, we need to import Java IO package. Then we are going to use input stream, declare its variable, and initialize value to null. Input stream class is a parent class of file input stream, which we will use to open file in a binary mode and read bytes from a file. I will surround this code with try catch block so we can catch exceptions if they are thrown. Then I will have another catch block for exception. Here I'm just gonna do e.print stack trace. Over here I'm just gonna print file not found. I'm just gonna create a text file in this project to keep it simple. Just new. It's like the other, and this is just an empty file. readme.txt. Now we have in this project this readme.txt file. I'm just gonna write a few lines so we have some text in there. I'm just gonna copy this. Ten times. Now in our Java code, I'm just gonna create a new instance of file input stream. New file input stream and pass it file name, that is readme.txt. This will return its reference, and I'm gonna save it in input stream variable. And now I'm going to use a loop, while loop. In while loop, I'm going to call input streams function read. Input stream dot read and check if it's not equals to -1. Need to remove this extra s. This read function read a byte from the stream and increments the file pointer to the next position. When the file pointer reaches the end of file, the read operation return -1. That's what we are checking in our while loop. Increment our counter, so I need to declare a variable which keeps the counts of number of bytes. And initialize it with 0. When the while loop terminates, this counter variable will have the number of bytes read, which will be the length of file. Just need to increment. And after the loop, we just need to print out the counter's value. File length is over here counter, and this. I just removed that readme file and move it to C folder. Over here, and in our code I just gave the full path of that file, C directory and the file name, and we just need to run this program now. You can see in the output it printed the file length. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.